Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm down at Edge Lane Retail Park in Liverpool to show you all the brand new things popping up, and there's loads. You've got the Tesla over there, got the brand new refurbished Hollywood Bowl, looks really good. Got a brand new Five Guys drive-thru, and you've got also a new Costa over there. So, you know, I'll get my drone up, because I think right here, you know, you've got I think this is public, and then you've got their land there. So I'll do it on the public, because you've got like a solid line there. So hopefully that'll be enough. So I'll get my drone up, and then I'll show you the Costa, the Hollywood Bowl, Tesla, and the new Five Guys. So yeah, I'll do that now. So yeah, guys, let's take off.
Take off. Home point updated.
So we'll get to a pretty decent height for everybody. So first of all, we'll do the Hollywood Bowl. So I'll come take you around here where the Hollywood Bowl is. So actually, the new building looks proper decent. Because as you can see, if I go over to like Smith Toy Superstore, you can see they've got like an orange, like a goldish tint on the buildings. But with Hollywood Bowl, it's got like and all the new ones, like a silver, I would say. Like a nice silvery, grey, whitish. I'm just making sure them seagulls weren't coming from your drone then. So yeah, you got a really nice building. Go around the back as well. Yeah, really good size. It's a good size as well. So we did just do a 2.1 million, like a refurb, and it is officially back open now. So you can go online or in the shop and book an alley. We've got loads of new alleys. Got, I think, 24 bowling lanes. I think they've got. And yeah, I have been to the old one. I haven't been to the new one, but I am planning on going. Right, let's go over to the very far and look at this Five Guys. So yeah, so it is coming very, very soon. As you can see with this video, they've got a lot of work on it. Oh, there's me drone. So yeah, they've got a lot of work going on here, so it is opening very soon. Here, the burgers are very famous for being fully customisable, over 250,000 toppings, I think, I'm not too sure, but that sounds absolutely, you know, amazing. And they've got hand-cut fries, but it's all cooked in peanut oil, so I can't have peanut oil, unfortunately, so it's not that good. They've already signed a 15-year contract lease to be at this location, so it's quite cool, to be honest. Definitely need to have a Five Guys, so you don't have to go into town and all that. So yeah, and it'd be good to have a drive-thru because it's right next to McDonald's, so a bit of competition. There. Right, let's go over to the brand new Costa Coffee, and then what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna do my favourite. What I'm really looking forward to is the Tesla. Really looking forward to the Tesla. So yeah, here you've just got a regular Costa. No, nothing really special with the Costa, to be totally honest with you. Nothing really much going on. It's just a Costa drive-thru. Well, that's what we think it's going to be anyway. It's got all like the Costa loadouts and that, but we're not too sure. There is one, if I go up a bit, there's a Starbucks over there. If I can zoom in. Drone being a bit funny at the minute. It's going all the way down to 90 degrees. And then all the way over here as well. You've got a Costa down there. We're by the Rangers, I think. So yeah, it would be quite nice to have a Costa, a bit more option. And then the one that I'm looking forward to, the Tesla showroom. So it's an empty spot where Tesla is building a 20,000 square feet showroom. So it's going to be very magical. Well, it's not magical, but it's going to show off their lineup of electric cars, and it could even include, I reckon over here, a supercharger station. For cars to park as well. I think that'll be. I think Tesla have brought all of this. I personally think it's going to open in July, but we can't be too sure. It hadn't been released yet. They've signed 5 more years than Five Guys, so they are going to be here for 20 years. And then they might sign more or whatever. You never know. But yeah, that would be quite cool. And I think the nearest one is Manchester. The nearest Tesla. I might be wrong. I don't know about that. But I think the nearest is Manchester. Yeah. So yeah, it looks really good. And then still under construction, as you can see. You've got all blue tape and that. Well, not tape, but like protectors and that, so people can't see in as well. So yeah, it's really good, and it's a really good spot as well, because all over here, this is what Edge Lane are basically known for. So I have the big shopping centres. We've got Smith Toy Superstore. Wilco's have shut down, unfortunately. We've got Pets at Home. We've got Pure Gym. That's really good. Footy Salem, The Works, Card Factory, Next, JD, Nike, all the big retails it's got. And over here it's got all Irish known for a sec. It's got all like Frankie and Benny's and all that. So and a Mackey's, and then over here you've got Halfords and B&M and all that. Halfords and B&M and then a Costa and all that. So it is going to be quite fun. And then of course you've got the mighty Liver Bird at the centre. So yeah, that'll be a very fun one. So yeah, I'll do it in all one shot for you. So yeah, just there. So I'll bring it down for you now. Yeah, be a nice shot. I'm just gonna bring it down, make sure nobody is coming.
Landing.
And yeah, that is a wrap for today. Just want to say very much. Just packing my drone away, but just want to say, yeah, thank you so much. I am gonna try and get to 1,000 subscribers on this channel, so hopefully that'll be nice. So as you can see, you got the Tesla, Hollywood Bowl, and all that. So yeah, hopefully it will just be, just nice to have all these nice stuff. Like I only live around the corner as well, so hopefully it'll be nice, to come here for Hollywood Bowl. Don't think I'm gonna be picking up a Tesla just yet, but you'll have a little look in the showroom. Yeah, the Five Guys. I can't have the Five Guys, but it'll be good for somebody who likes Five Guys. So yeah, I'll see you later. Don't forget, please subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye bye.